Hello, hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Azeez. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional flyer design in Pixellab. It is for a beauty brand, so a makeup brand. So we are going to create it now. Let's get started. Alright, so this is the default page of Pixellab. The size I'm using is 1080 pixels by 1080 by 1080, same as 1080. Very good. So now I'll be getting let me first get my image here in download. Yeah, this particular one. So I use it to fill the screen. So I'll be pushing it up a bit. Alright, so I can decide to enhance it a bit. Alright, so I think I'll be giving it a stroke, but that's not necessary. Alright, this should be okay. So now I'm going to get my background. I will be using purple. Not this one. Let it be a bit darker. Alright, I think we are there. So now what I will do next is to arrange some shapes here. Let me do something on this. Crop. It's not working, so let's leave it like that. So I'm going to create a circle here. Then I'm going to copy it, centralize it, then copy it again. Alright, so let this be at the center. Alright, let me reduce this a bit. Then I will reduce this a bit. Now let me increase it. Then and this, increase it a bit. Alright, so we are I want this to be at the center. Alright, I think I will have to leave it like this. Probably this won't be at the main center. Yeah. Very good. So now the next thing I will do is add a texture into those shapes. Let's go with this first. Square. Perfect. So here again, let's choose this square. Perfect. This again, square. Nah, no, it's there. Alright, I think you should choose this. Alright, everything is perfect. So now the next thing we are going to do is I want to do something here. Cancel it. Okay, let's go with it. A circle, reduce the opacity and try to increase the stroke with it, then reduce it. I think 30 should be okay for what you want to do here. It will be disturbing though, but I'm going to find a way to reduce the previous the main pictures so that everything will be perfect. So now I'm going to give it a texture, a golden texture to be precise. Let me type it, golden. Alright, that is my texture. I want to do something with it. Alright, I want to see if I want to manipulate it a bit. Alright, sorry. Alright, I think this is okay for me. And this is okay here. I will be changing this one. Delete, copy this, reduce it a bit. This is okay here also. Alright, I think we are quite okay like this. So the next thing we are going to do is to write the services they offer. So we start with our services. So I'll use this one, Poppins board. Alright, so let me begin to type the services they offer. So the first one is bridal makeup, followed by foundation. Another is eyebrow pencil, and many more. Alright, so let's write the brand name here. Azeez Touch. So I change the font. Let's use this font. Alright, so for more information, call or WhatsApp 09072. Alright, sorry. Very good. I think we are at the loose end now, and then we are pretty done. Thank you for watching. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll be getting notifications directly on your device whenever I post awesome tutorials like this. Thank you.